see, but watch. I got something to prove.
Two is what we then become. Bacteria. Each of us becomes a more bacteria. We are stronger than before. Bacteria. We keep growing at its rate. Bacteria. No longer shall we wait. Bacteria. The plan now unfolds. Bacteria. We will take over the...
And you put this as the bottom half and the top half for the bacteria. And you make a... There's a time channel that I have in one of these. On Canva, just wait. But look, every one of these, just wait. Use this right here, add more, but a nitinol, an electric eel, and then transistors on each side to convex the portals through each other in 3 different points. But then I would also have this, which is a gyroscope on the inside with little lined walls and channels for the walls. And these are little robot arms that you'd make for it with different scale devices. This would be for a device to wrap around this whole apparatus. The gyroscope, this would be where stem cells and other stuff is grown and made. But what I'm saying is, you would build this. This is for the 7th dimensional, the elliptical orbits of the 7th dimensional scale differential that you have to calculate in with it. This is for like a qubit, and this is sound and a stenograph at the right scale. You put these inside this robot, now it's an auto fabricator right here. It's receiving data and sending it from itself. And then you design it with spores and other complex mechanical operations coded in binary within this to travel through this. And then
we begin with only one bacteria. Two is what we then become. Bacteria. Each of us becomes a more bacteria. We are stronger
you start
than before.
getting higher dimensional math. So you can create surface area with the antimatter. That's what the probability drive is technically simulating, and what you can do is bifurcate off that field. But so you'd have the tachyon code and other stuff, and then you have a tachyon accelerator, what I was describing in my other video, to keep accelerating it, looping it, and channeling it through the 2 sound arcs, going through the time, through the 2 portals itself, and copying that data at infinity. And then you can produce surface area to produce the material particles. But what I'm saying is you can produce energy that it feeds off of. So it does it more effectively. And it has organelles that do these things that make it do it so it can stop XK bacterial events.